Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your camera to stop looking so blurry when you have it in OBS. And I believe when you just add a new source for a camera or a video capture device, it's just going to be like default settings and nothing's going to look all that great. So find your correct scene over here. So I got camera full screen. This is just me talking on it. And then go to sources. You got your video capture device. You can add a camera this way. And then it'll look like this. Double click on this and it'll bring you to the properties. And then you have the option to configure video right here. And this little thing is going to pop open. And you got brightness, contrast, hue, sharpness. So if you want to make this a little bit sharper, you can apply this. And you can see my head is a little bit sharper. Great. You can see the light reflecting off my forehead. Great. Don't grow old, guys. And then we can go to camera control. Now, I don't believe I can use this when I have my camera up, but it's got low light compensation. And the cool thing under here, you can do like a zoom or a focus, and you can adjust those values. Am I able to go in here? No. So you can try adjusting it there. And the thing I would recommend to do is to go on down to resolution slash FPS type. And this is probably what's causing the issue for you. So you probably have it just on device default right now. Go on down to custom and go to resolution and make sure this is at the highest value. And mine is only 1280 by 720. So select that one. Hopefully you have like 1080p or something like that, or 480. 4K, and then go to FPS, and we want this at the highest possible FPS. So mine before was only 30 frames per second, and there's a huge difference between 30 frames per second when you're moving around. Maybe it was even lower, but there's a huge difference between FPS. So here's 10. You can see how laggy this is. And if you don't have this adjusted accordingly, it's going to look very blurry. So I just go to highest FPS possible. And then we can scroll on down. We have video format. We can look at those, the color spacing, color range, limited or full, buffering. And usually I just leave that stuff and I don't mess with it. You can flip it and then use hardware decoding when available. I don't touch that. So those are the options. Let's go to OK. Now when I move my hands, you can see it's very smooth and should look a little bit better with the resolution now. So just adjust some of those settings and you guys should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.